Ratan Tata and Mukesh Ambani both are the most richest person of India with the net worth of billions of dollars and honor of expensive and luxury cars. But who have better car collection? You decide. Comment down below. Then let's get it on with the Ratan Tata car collection. Number 1. Red Ferrari California T. The cost of the car is 202,000 US dollar, but in India it will cost you 3.45 crore rupees. The top speed of the car is 315 km per hour. Number 2. 2005 model Mercedes SL 500 convertible. The cost of the car is 113,000 US dollar, but in India it will cost you 2.72 crore rupees. The car produces 500 horsepower and can reach to the top speed of 295 km per hour. Number 3. The most expensive car in the garage of Ratan Tata, Gold Nano. The car was made by 24 karat of gold and studded by gemstone and diamond. The cost of the car is $3.15 million. In India, 22 crore rupees. Number 4. 1996 Mercedes W124. The production of this car was discontinued. Now you can get this car for 17,000 US dollar. In India for 10 lakh rupees. The car is produced in 1996, but it is super fast and can reach to the top speed of 250 km per hour. Number 5. Jaguar XJL Supercharged Portfolio. The cost of the car is 96,000 US dollar, but in India you will get for 1.97 crore rupees. The car comes with 3-liter V6 supercharged engine. It is an all-wheel drive car and can reach to the top speed of 280 km per hour. Number 6. 2007 Red Cadillac XLR. The cost of the car is 1100,000 US dollar, and in India it will cost you 75 lakh rupees. The production of this car was discontinued after 2009 due to low demand. The car comes with 4.6-liter North Star V8 engine and can reach to the top speed of 249 km per hour. Number 7. Land Rover Freelander. Ratan Tata is owner of Land Rover, Jaguar and a Tata company, but he loves to drive a Land Rover Freelander. The cost of the car is 71,000 US dollar. In India you will get it for 50 lakh rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 190 km per hour. Number 8. 2007 White Honda Civic. The cost of the car is 19,500 US dollar. In India you will get it for 13 lakh rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 271 km per hour. Number 9. Tata Nexon. The car was recently added to Ratan Tata car collection. The cost of the car is 14,000 US dollar. In India you will get it for 10.9 lakh rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 180 km per hour. Number 10. Mercedes S-Class. The cost of the car is 1 lakh US dollar. In India you will get it for 1.33 crore rupees. The car comes with V8 engine and can reach to the top speed of 249 km per hour. Mukesh Ambani car collection. Number 1. Lamborghini Urus. The car was recently purchased by Mukesh Ambani. The cost of the car is 2 lakh US dollar. In India you will get it for 3 crore rupees. The car can reach to the top speed of 305 km per hour. 2. Mercedes Maybach S660 Guard. It is an armored vehicle, comes with high-end security features. The car comes with an expensive price tag of 10.50 crore rupees in India and in other 1.5 million US dollar. Number 3. Mercedes Maybach 62. This car was gifted by Mukesh Ambani to Neeta Ambani on her birthday. The price of this car is 5.15 crore rupees in India and in other countries 7,43,000 US dollar. Number 4. Silver Mercedes Maybach S600. It is also an armored vehicle. Car comes with the price 8.30 crore rupees in India. Number 5. BMW 760 Li. This car was imported from Germany. It is a bulletproof car. The car comes with the price 8.5 crore rupees in India because Mukesh Ambani paid 300% import duty on it. Mostly this car is used by Neeta Ambani. Number 6. Rolls-Royce Phantom Drop Head Coupe. It was gifted to Anant Ambani on his birthday, the younger son of Mukesh Ambani. The car comes with the price 7.6 crore rupees in India and in other $1 million. Number 7. Bentley Bentayga. This car was used by Akash Ambani. the elder son of Mukesh Ambani. The car comes with the price 3.85 crore rupees in India, another 5,50,000 US dollar. Number 8, Rolls-Royce Phantom. The cost of the car is 450,000 US dollar. In India, you will get it for 5.25 crore rupees. The car produces 453 bhp and can reach to the top speed of 250 km per hour. Number 9, White Audi A8. The car comes with the price 1.12 crore rupees in India. It is a Reliance Industry car used as a pickup car for VIP guests. This is all about the Ratan Tata and Mukesh Ambani car collection. If you like that video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video.